As we age, our brains naturally begin to decline in function, and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's can accelerate this process. But what if there was a way to halt some of these age-related changes in the brain? A new study from Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis may have found a way. One area of research in this field is the study of neurodegenerative diseases, which are conditions that affect the functioning of the brain and nervous system and lead to the progressive loss of structure or function of nerve cells. Some examples of neurodegenerative diseases include Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and multiple sclerosis. These diseases can cause problems with memory, movement, and overall brain function, and they often get worse over time. Many neurodegenerative diseases, including Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, are characterized by the presence of harmful protein clusters in the brain, known as plaques and tangles. Despite significant efforts to find ways to treat these conditions by removing these toxic clusters, progress has been limited. Recently, researchers at the Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis have discovered a new approach that may potentially lead to the treatment or prevention of neurodegenerative diseases, and potentially halt some of the effects of aging on the brain. They found that immune cells surrounding the brain play a role in the efficiency of waste removal and that these immune cells are impaired in old mice, as well as in humans and mice with Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, they found that treating old mice with an immune-stimulating compound can rejuvenate these immune cells and improve waste clearance from the brain. These findings, which were recently published in the journal Nature, suggest that targeting immune cells may be a promising approach to treating or preventing neurodegenerative diseases. Alzheimer's has been studied for many years from the perspective of how neurons die, but there are other cells, such as immune cells on the periphery of the brain, that also may play a role in Alzheimer's, said senior author Jonathan Kipnis, PhD. It doesn't look likely that we will be able to revive dead or dying neurons, but the immune cells that sit on the borders of the brain are a feasible target for treating age-related brain diseases. They're more accessible and could be drugged or replaced. In this study, we treated aged mice with a molecule that can activate aged immune cells, and it worked in improving fluid flow and waste clearance from the brain. This holds promise as an approach to treating neurodegenerative diseases. This new approach to treating neurodegenerative diseases holds promise for halting some of the effects of aging on the brain, and it represents an important step forward in the field of aging research. However, it is important to note that this research is still in the early stages, and more research is needed to confirm these findings and determine the potential for this approach in humans. I hope you found this new video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down.